Hi everyone, feeling quite a bit better today, so I thought I would treat you all to another phone. Now this is perhaps a mystery, don't know. I'm assuming it was a copy or a phone made to look very much like the 500 series. This is by Stromberg Carlson, very heavily made, pieces inside that I've never seen before. The dial is virtually covered in with the terminations on the back, which is perhaps a good idea. The ringer has got very large coil. That is totally different as well. A whole lot of it is different. The network box at the back is what we're looking at now. 4258. I'd imagine that's probably 1958. Also got where it had been checked over by a company, Teleservice Company, Keville, Kentucky, with their number on there. Tested 6/21/68. So we would show it in here in England as the 21/6/68. They always change around the month and the day. Anyhow, interesting differences. You've got an external or extra piece in here. It may be on the back. It's got 25, I think it's 25 cycles. So it looks like it may be a special ringing design. I will turn it over and I'll show you the handset. This handset looks like it's been repainted. This was a practice which was done in America. Give the name on there, Stromberg Carlson. It's the standard type of handset, and the inserts are normal. They're the normal inserts you would see on this type of handset. The difference, as I say, the dial is totally different. I may have to look inside. It's slowed down a bit, but the finger stop is in the unusual position for the 500 type phone, but all the others on it is correct. There's the actual case. And a closer look, you've got your name, Stromberg Carlson, made in USA. Looking inside, it is slightly different. Notice the fixing is done by that one screw. The other side is held in by that little clip. So you undo one screw, or partly undo one screw, and the cover comes off quite easily, leaving the mechanism and the dial assembly easy access. But I started to have a look at that bell a bit closer. Then it gives you an idea of the bell, the ringer. It's got an enormous coil round it. And there's quite a bit of pressure there as well. So I would definitely think that it's a slightly different type of bell. There's another strange component there which may just be a joiner of the two wires. I think that possibly is. So yeah, this is, as I say, a bit different. Don't know where I picked it up from. It's obviously one I got from America via eBay, showing the 4-prong plug that used to be used in America. I haven't tried it over here. I don't, as I say, I'm not sure whether it will work, but it's certainly added to the collection as a curio. The number, if I haven't given it to you, I think I did, it's Stromberg Carlson 1543 WI or W1. It's got special, and it's obviously an early copy of the 500 type, which was put out by Bell or Western Electric. So it could be a little bit on the rare side, which is nice. Now let's have a look underneath. I'm going to have to put it to the side. There's what it's got on there, special. And 20, I think that's 20, yeah. It looks like 20 cycles. So which indicate to me that that would be a special ringing frequency for the bell, which indicates to me this may have been used on a shared service line. And knowing in America you had shared service up to several number of subscribers. In England you just had the 2, but in America it was slightly different, and there was different type of ringing conditions or different bells that would operate to different frequencies. So that's what I think this could be. The WI might indicate that. So if anyone else knows anything about this, please let me know. The bell adjuster is not existing on this one, which once again tells me it's probably slightly different. Anyhow, it's nice to be able to talk and feel a bit better. And I did. I keep seeing different numbers. It looks like got the bell set is 73G 30 73G 50. So we start with a little bit of a mystery today. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any comments please make, and I'll get back. Thanks again. No diagram on this, unfortunately. Sometimes there's a diagram inside the case, but not in this case. I believe the original case or covering for this phone was slightly different, and this was a modification to fit this chassis. I may have one that shows the earlier cover. I don't know if I've still got it. My old memory's getting a bit addled at times. So anyhow, that's the phone. Stromberg Carlson 1543 WI, and it's a lookalike to the 500 type telephones. Thanks for watching. Thank you.